Ready to go?
Hello.
Hello, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Mahi, we are live.
Great.
So I think we should start. People will gradually they will join.
Okay.
Let
So,
me.
my voice is clear to you?
Yes, yes.
Okay, great.
Okay. Hello. Yeah, I think we are live. So shall we start? Or we should. People will keep on joining, huh? So hello everyone. Welcome to my Facebook page, Ashima Galhotra. And this is we are doing Conversing Mind series, which is all about where I will talk with someone and on any topic that if the person wants to take up that topic, we come online and discuss about that topic, and that could be anything. As you maybe you remember or not, or you attended my earlier this Conversing Mind session. It was on distraction, that how do I keep myself focused, and in that we also discuss about how to work on the focus and all. And this time we have taken this very beautiful topic, that keep the noise down, or the noise will keep you down. And with me today I have a co-host or guest, whatever you take it as. With me he is Mahir. And why Mahir is with me? Because many of times, I keep on getting many such queries, or we keep on making discussions on various topics. So we thought of why not to do this online and discussing the same thing with other people also, not having this discussion in two people only. So we thought of to take up this topic, which is actually common to youth or common at any age. Not only youth, I could say of my age, I could say people who are senior to me. Everyone has, ups and downs in life. We keep on feeling like sometimes we are high at emotions, sometimes we are low at emotions. So that's why we came up, and this is only the motive of this Conversing Mind series, that where we can discuss about the issues going on, where or I will try out giving you the solutions, or together we will try out finding out the solutions. Because problems are there, but what is in our hand is only to focus and find out the solutions for the problems we have. So looking forward, and let's see how today's session goes and what Mahir has with him. The questions I don't know what he's going to ask, but let's see. So Mahir, can we see you?
Very good evening, ma'am.
Good evening and welcome, Mahir.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you for being my or what should I say, my host, my guest,
It's all my
or
pleasure, ma'am.
or the person who is going to, we are going to kind of, mind boggling together to find out a few answers or solutions to the common problems, which we have these days.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes,
So,
exactly.
are you ready, Mahir?
Yes, ma'am. With your permission, we'll start.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Or it's already 6. I think 2 minutes are there, but
We're
we can
approaching
start. We
six
can.
years, ma'am. So,
We are
as you say,
approaching
we'll
6,
start or we should wait.
but we can start. People will join gradually. Let's see.
Okay, as you say. So, shall we start? What say?
Yes, Mike, you can tell about brief about the topic, that why you have chosen this topic and what we are going to. I have also, made my side. What is my perception about this? But you can also come up with that why you took this topic and what we are basically going to discuss.
So, ma'am, the topic line, keep the noise down or the noise will keep it down. So, it's a bit a tricky topic line which I choose because it kind of symbolizes something that we are facing every moment in our lives. So we people are gradually, we are in a journey, and we whatever we do, we are facing some sort of a pressure in our life. So pressure can be in any sense. So we people know about peer pressure, the family pressure kind of things, but there is one more pressure that is different from everything else, and that is the social pressure. Every now and then, when we log into some social media platform, we see that people are getting married, people are going for vacations, and that time you realize that you are not having even 2,000 bucks in your bank account. How are these people doing all these things? So that will be our
Yeah,
topic.
true,
I want
true,
you to
true, true.
enlighten me on this.
Okay. So sometimes you even feel like that why you were not born at Ambani's house, or son of Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. मतलब फिर तो ये भी we should have these kind of thoughts also, that maybe अभी तो we are only looking around people who are in our social circle on the Facebook friends we have, right, or the
Yes,
LinkedIn.
ma'am.
But apart from that also there is people around, people are doing so many things. So that could be another reason we could think of कि दुनिया तो पता नहीं क्या क्या कर रही
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
So when I selected this topic line, and
Hmm.
I texted my friend about some of the suggestions about the question which I should ask. So my messenger was flooded with the questions.
Oh.
So I've done some homework and I have compiled some questions for you. Sorry for this. I've compiled some
Oh
questions for
my.
you.
Hmm.
So I have basically
Okay, and what
generated
if
two
I
sets.
am not able to answer a few questions? Then what?
We'll come to a conclusion. Well, coming to a conclusion is a different thing.
Oh,
We will be discussing about it.
okay, okay, right. But before we start, the things you said to me right now, can I ask you one question here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, please.
Okay, so then, do you know Abhishek Bachchan? You must have
Yes,
heard
ma'am.
his name, huh? So
Yes, yes.
why he's not popular as Abhishek? Abhishek is not that popular as his father is, like Amitabh Bachchan.
Maybe
Any reasons you could find?
he was not able to create that aura that his father has in the industry.
Okay,
Because we
but
can say
sometimes
that he
he,
got a lot of opportunities because of that nepotism words,
oh,
but
huh.
he wasn't able to capitalize on the opportunities that was available to him. Maybe
So,
that's the reason.
don't you think that one of the reason, like we people keep on cribbing कि हमें तो मिला ही नहीं है, we didn't get that those resources. Maybe sometime we crib on the family, or we don't have that much of financial help or the exposure. So what do you think कि ये क्या करता होगा अभिषेक बच्चन के साथ क्या होता होगा? मतलब he has everything. It's like silver spoon, but still he could not make up that success in the profession he chose. Or he was like, it was like family, जिसके कहते हैं family business संभाल लेते हैं. So it's like
Yes, ma'am.
he is not able to handle his father's
Legacy. Legacy
legacy.
would be
हाँ,
the word.
could say that. हाँ. So what is your opinion on that? What is your say on that?
Ma'am, I'll still say that his biggest achievement of Mr. Abhishek Bachchan
Hmm.
would be that he married Mrs. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan.
Okay, okay, okay.
That's
So that because he is
that's the
son of
place where, yes, Mr. Amitabh
Amitabh
Bachchan,
Bachchan.
Mahanayak.
Okay, okay, right. So they are into relationship, or she or he, even though they're together managing just because of Amitabh Bachchan. मतलब sometime अगर कुछ issue भी आ जाता है, so they both just look for अमिताभ बच्चन. मतलब
Yes, yes, yes.
आपस में अगर झगड़ा भी हो गया,
Big B is in the house. Will take care of it
चलो ठीक है. So it's all about
internally
finding
and
that big B in
collectively.
the life, huh?
Yes, there is Big B in everyone's life.
हाँ,
All we need to do is to find him or her, because
yeah.
that's what I think. There should be a person whom we can, go straight forward to and ask. I mean, open your heart out and say that yes, this is the problem. So can you guide me in this?
Right, right.
It's all about finding that Big B.
So let's start with your questionnaire.
Okay, so first and foremost, ma'am, thank you so much for making this virtual meetup possible. I feel privileged to be here virtually with you.
No, it's my brother, and you're most welcome.
And I hope everybody who has joined us. So, how many people have joined us right now?
People will join gradually. We live. It has reached.
Okay,
There are people. Yeah.
so should I jump straight forward to the questionnaire, or like we should discuss
Yes, yes,
something
yes.
else and then
Yes, we
move to
should.
the
We
question?
should start. We should start because we have half an hour
So,
only.
okay, okay, great. So my first question, I should pick from the generic set. So can you just enlighten me about what is exactly life according to you? What is life?
What
What do
is
you mean by
exactly
life?
life? Okay.
Yes,
So
because we
life
have
is
taken
all.
we have taken birth in Kali Yuga, and
Haha.
as they all say, we have a definite role for ourselves. We have been destined to do
Hmm.
something. So what do you mean? What is life in a broader sense?
Life is all the meaning I give to life, the way I see to it. So it's all about life. If I see all the positive things, if I find the meaning, whatever is happening to me, so that is life. There is no life. And my question would be that why do we have to find out that what is life? It's like a kind of journey you are traveling, and there is no destination is fixed ki this is life, or itna kilometer jaake you will find something. So what is in our hand, or what for me life is like only playing my role play, at my best. So meaning, or what life for me is like what I would like to give a meaning to my life. That's all, is for me. There's no fixed meaning to that.
Okay, so
Maybe the
according to
people
you,
who are, hmm, hmm, hmm.
yes, yes, continue.
Maybe people who are not happy, they will give meaning for them. Life is like, misery. or people who are getting everything in their life, they will find, oh wow, life is so beautiful. But tell me, have you seen anyone who has got, kind of same uh, emotions, same phases throughout the life? If there are ups, there are ups throughout. If there is good all the time, the person is getting good in his life, in his or her life. So it's always about ups and downs. So life is like what you have decided in your mind to take it as. So that's only life is. If I have decided that for me, whatever happens, if it is up, okay. If it is down, okay. But I am going to take my life as a positive journey where, and now here what matter is that what is your motive towards that. आपका लाइफ तो है पॉजिटिव, बट उसमें आपने क्या क्या करना है.
Okay.
Hmm.
So how to decide that motive? Just like you're a mindfulness coach, and
Hmm.
how did that come across your mind? It's like, so when was that turning point when you switched to this field? Because you have an excellent career in chartered accountancy, or an excellent chartered accountant
Hmm.
working with a corporate. So how did you switch tracks?
See, Mahir, the point is one. It is not like if you have decided for mindful or mindset coaching that you cannot do your other professions, right? So
Okay.
why this mindset coaching is like, it is all about self leadership mindset. Kya am I telling people that how to control other people mindset? No, I'm only telling them that how to set your own mind, how to condition your own mind, how to work with mindfulness. So it is all about working on the own self, not on people. So, or other term I could give to this is called self leadership. If I cannot lead myself, how will I be able to lead my team, my people around? So I am an entrepreneur as well. I have my business, I have my practice, but how I am able to do that, peacefully, or handling so many things, a kind of multitasking, right? It is only and only possible when you can, you have that self leadership first in you. Only then you can lead people around. So this is what I think is should be the part of the curriculum or the life. ये हमें बताया नहीं जाता है. Likewise, I strongly believe that nutrition should also be part of the curriculum. कि हमें we realize it very late, even in you give CA examinations. हमें पता ही नहीं है the right food we are not eating. We are preparing for examination और weight gain हो रहा है. So even I felt that this should also be the part. People should aware about this, that what is good for health, and at the same time, if I am talking about body, it should, people, we should be knowing this all, that what is good for our mind.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it
Fair
is
enough.
for everyone. So one is your passion and one is your profession. So this is something when I felt I was in corporate. So when you see problem with everyone, or when you always keep on blaming and cribbing for the things you are getting around, later on in life I realized that it is not going to work, because people, they will not change, and every time you will going to get different set of people around. So how long in life you are going to blame them? Then a turning point came where I realized, no, Ashima, you need to understand that it's you only who needs to change,
Okay.
who needs to understand what is it all about. So there, from there it started. I started reading, complete depth into this particular subject, and that does not mean if I am a coach that we are not learning. We learn day by day, because it's a long process. Even reactively, sometimes we do fail. But what matters is that what I have decided to do, एम आई ऑन माई ट्रैक और नॉट. अब मैं ये नहीं कर सकती ना कि नहीं नहीं, लोग तो ठीक हो ही नहीं सकते हैं, दिस विल नॉट वर्क, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू दिस, छोड़ो.
Yes, yes, yes.
So being a coach is like believing in this thing that yes, this should be there. So that's why I am a coach. अगर मैं इस पे बिलीव नहीं करती तो I would have been one of the learner.
But a coach is a lifelong learner as well.
ऑफ कोर्स वी कीप ऑन लर्निंग. अगर हम सीखेंगे ही नहीं और गलतियां ही नहीं करेंगे, सो हाउ विल वी गेट एक्सपीरियंस? और अपनी
Yes, ma'am.
लाइफ के एक्सपीरियंस से बेटर तो कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता. दो वी
So,
रीड बुक्स.
real stories are unbeatable indeed.
हाँ. यस. वेरी मच. एंड आई डू हैव मेनी स्टोरीज अभी, मतलब सो मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर. But the only one thing
Can
which
you
I promised to myself not to quit and sit like कि कुछ नहीं होने वाला. I always believe that there are phases in life. It is a journey. और वो कहते हैं ना, जर्नी में बहुत सारे पड़ाव आते हैं. So
yes,
let's
ma'am.
take it like that, Mahir. If you plan to leave from Delhi to Mumbai, राइट, यू विल आस्क पीपल कि यहाँ से कैसे कैसे जाएंगे, कितना किलोमीटर्स, एंड यू अकॉर्डिंगली प्लान एवरीथिंग. डू यू रियली फील दैट द जर्नी विल completely go as per your plan?
No, ma'am. There'll be ups and downs.
Ups and downs, right? So what is in your hand? आपके हाथ में क्या है? Will can you change
And
what is going to happen, or you can only adapt and accommodate yourself as per the things which are going to happen?
all we have to do is staying positive in the scenario and taking things as they're coming.
Yeah. So what
Just
will
like
you
we
do?
should
Will
be
you stop
happy,
going to
whatever.
Mumbai कि मेरे साथ ही
No,
ऐसा क्यों हुआ?
Mumbai is where I'm supposed to be, so I'll anyhow find a way to be there.
And that's again, if you have decided to reach Mumbai, हो सकता है you have different plans, but once you reach there you find कि अरे नहीं नहीं, this was not something which I wanted. Then what? So even this is not sure that you, if you have planned for something कि मुंबई जाके I will get that thing, वो भी हो सकता है you don't get that, right?
But
So
there
what,
will be
then
that
what will you do?
satisfaction feeling that at least I have
हाँ.
reached my goal.
No, that is again, it is your perception ना. Like if you are thinking this way कि ये मेरी achievement है, some could
Yes, ma'am.
feel and think this way कि time waste हो गया. And from here people do lot of overthinking and regrets are there in life. So it's again what is mattering here now. What you said is कि आप ये सोचेंगे कि चलो ये satisfaction तो हुआ कि मैं मुंबई तक आया.
Yes, ma'am.
एंड एट द सेम टाइम दे आर सेट ऑफ पीपल हु विल थिंक कि ओ मेरा तो टाइम खराब हो गया, मैं मुंबई, काश मुझे पहले बताया होता किसी ने, मैंने क्यों नहीं देखा. अगर लेट्स टेक दिस एग्जांपल ओनली, कोविड की वजह से एग्जाम्स आर गेटिंग पोस्टपोन, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
एंड
Even I'm the
मोस्ट ऑफ
victim of it.
and why do we give both groups together? सीए के एग्जामिनेशन में वी चूज फॉर बोथ ग्रुप्स टुगेदर कि 6 महीने बाद हम मार्केट में जाएंगे. इट्स लाइक एक तो वैल्यू भी डाउन होता है, अटेम्प्ट काउंट होता है, और 6 महीने की इनकम भी जाती है. आई वॉज लिसनिंग टू समवन इंटरव्यू, द पर्सन वॉज सेइंग कि 6 महीने में मेरा 3 लाख का नुकसान हो जाएगा, ऑलमोस्ट, बिकॉज मेरा जॉब लग जाएगा. ठीक है. सो बट वॉट इज इन, अब क्या करेंगे? यहाँ तो इतना सारा टाइम खराब हो गया.
Yes, ma'am.
अब अगेन व्हाट मैटर्स इज कि आपका फोकस, आपका माइंडसेट, आपका परसेप्शन आपको लेके कहाँ जा रहा है इस टाइम में. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल आंसर यू गेव कि आपको सेटिस्फेक्शन होगा, बट आई एम श्योर देयर आर मेनी पीपल हु विल रिग्रेट. और वो एक हफ्ते से 10 दिन तो इस चीज से उठने में ही लगा देंगे कि मैं मुंबई आया ही क्यों.
Yes, ma'am.
हम्म.
Well, that was an impressive answer. Even my question was just a little one, but you explained it full length. That was nice. So moving on, second question for the day.
हम्म.
Ding dong, the KBC lighting and the sound.
Dun, dun,
So, ma'am, everybody says that look at the bigger picture.
हम्म.
But there are hundreds of forces that are bothering us every now and then. So, how do you, in your way, how should we deal with that pressure? Just like we feel that some people are generations ahead of us when they are from the same generation.
हम्म.
So, how do you like?
See, it's
What
like
should be
first
the
of all, when you
solution?
said कि a generation gap, can you come up again on this thing? कि generation gap, what exactly you mean by this?
Actually, some people feel that, see, me and my friend were from the same batch,
Hmm. Hmm.
and sometimes I feel that he's generations ahead of me. Generation by generations, I mean that he got so much and so early, and I'm late at something. So I feel sometimes that I was a
Okay.
little late in clicking that thing.
Okay.
It can be anything. Maybe he got knowledge of different courses quite earlier, or something like that.
एंड इज ही लाइक आपसे एज में बड़े हैं छोटे हैं?
No, ma'am. We are from the same batch.
सेम बैच, सेम एज, सेम मंथ?
Yes, ma'am.
सेम मंथ, यू बोर्न इन सेम मंथ?
No, no, not same month.
हाँ, सेम ईयर?
Same year, yeah.
सेम ईयर एंड मंथ कितना, कितना गैप है?
Say 4 or 5 months.
4 और 5 मंथ्स। सो आप पहले हुए या वो पहले हुए?
He is the one who took birth earlier.
अच्छा, चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम देयर। पहले तो हम यहीं से शिकायत करते हैं, लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग कंप्लेनिंग टू द गॉड। पहले तो 4 महीने पहले क्यों भेजा उसे? नो, लेट अस स्टार्ट फ्रॉम देयर नी। सो इट्स लाइक so,
But
yeah,
how can
because
we
both.
practically complain about it?
No, but if you are saying this thing, he is, he learns earlier than me, or I take
Okay.
time. So if you are comparing with something, so let's start from beginning, because you don't know the story that why he is able to do that. आप जो है वो जो है, दोनों डिफरेंट, एक तरीके से यू आर कंपेयरिंग टू डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स टुगेदर, सैमसंग और एप्पल, or maybe you're saying Sam, or I am
Mm,
not saying who is Apple and who is Samsung, but I am saying that why are you comparing two different brands together? Everyone, each brand has their own speciality. So it's like किसी के पास कुछ है, किसी के पास कुछ है, and it started from from where, it's like your genes, then your programming, then your upbringing. There are lot many things. अब ये तो करके you are again comparison से you are losing your self worth.
Yes, ma'am. That's what my question was. How can
Hmm.
I, divert my mind from these sort of comparisons?
Likewise,
Because
Samsung has his
that
own market and Apple has his own market.
yes, ma'am. But they keep looking at their projected figures and all the figures, sales figures
हाँ,
and all.
so, but that
So
does
why
not mean that if yeah, come up, come up.
why should I? How should I divert my mind from it? How should I just focus on my line, my track,
So
so that
first of
I can
all,
grow faster? Because
yeah.
if you're driving and you're looking at both the sides of the game, both the sides of the road, that won't help. You should keep focus on your road.
No, but there one thing is, if you are saying that you are driving and you are looking here
Yes,
and there, so what will happen? गाड़ी तो ठुकेगी जाके कहीं ना कहीं.
yes, ma'am. Exactly.
हाँ. So what if being a driver, you should be first clear the rules of the driving. What does it say? Is that you should be alert, you should be attentive, because you are on the steering, right? So you
Yes, ma'am.
know that where are you wrong. You yourself gave the answer. You know you should not look around here and there, but at the same time you should be attentive. सामने से गाड़ी आ रही है, ठीक है, यू शुड बी अटेंटिव कि आपको कैसे साइड लेके जाना है, and it depends on you and your efficiency. Likewise, if someone can drive on the speed of 120, but I am the one, I can only drive on 80 kilometers per hour, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
अब ये तो नहीं है 120 वाले को देख के I will suddenly increase my speed because he can drive. What I will do, I will first prepare, practice, learn and experience on that, then I will go, and drive like that. Or I will decide this thing. See, this is clear to me. I cannot, this is my limit. Okay, I will reach an hour late to my destination. So that is again up to you. One, if you have decided I'll reach an hour late, pretty well. Or if you say no, then मेक अ प्रैक्टिस, सी हाउ दैट पर्सन लर्न। कहीं ना कहीं आपका एक्सपीरियंस में कमी है, लुक फॉर द मेंटोर्स, लुक फॉर द प्रॉपर एक्सपीरियंस एंड एनवायरमेंट एंड रीच ऑन दैट स्पीड। एंड वाई ओनली दैट 120 स्पीड, यू मे रीच इवन बियॉन्ड दैट। बट द थिंग इज, आपके आगे से गाड़ी 120 की स्पीड से निकल गई, हम क्या करते हैं? वी फील, वी स्टार्ट फीलिंग लो इनसाइड कि मेरे को
Yes,
क्यों
ma'am.
नहीं चलती 80 से ऊपर, वो गाड़ी 120 पे चला रहा है, मैं क्यों नहीं चला पा रहा? मेरे को क्या डर है? अरे ठीक है, यू चैलेंज योरसेल्फ, बट दैट डजंट मीन कि उसको देख के उसके पीछे गाड़ी भगा लोगे विदाउट एनी प्रैक्टिस। कि देखी
But
जाएगी।
that's what we do exactly in real life.
Huh. So that's what you do now. Whenever you are in this situation, na, take the example of like you're driving a car and your friend just crossed you at the speed of 120 and you were peacefully driving throughout at the speed of 80 and you were quite happy. क्योंकि अब तक आपके साथ जो लोग थे वो या तो 60 की स्पीड पे थे या 80 की स्पीड में थे, हम बड़े खुश थे कि मैं तो 60 वाले को पीछे छोड़ आया या 80 में सब मेरे आगे पीछे ही हैं, और एकदम से कोई 120 की स्पीड पे आगे निकल जाता है और हमने क्या करना शुरू। और ऐसे लोग होने भी चाहिए ना, बिकॉज दे
Yes,
सेट अ टारगेट फॉर यू।
there should be healthy competition.
यस। अब अगर 120 वाला ना होता तो मेरे लिए लाइफ में 80 इज द ओनली स्पीड, बस लोग
Yes.
दुनिया 80 में ही रहेगी। 120 वाला है, आई शुड बी थैंकफुल कि मेरे पास एक टारगेट है, बट आई शुड नॉट फील लो। अब आपको एनालाइज करना है, आपको उसकी स्टोरी जानिए ना, दैट हाउ ही लर्न टू ड्राइव एट द स्पीड ऑफ 120। मे बी ही इज मोर इन टू दैट प्रैक्टिस, ही हैज लॉट ऑफ नॉलेज, कहीं ना कहीं प्रैक्टिस और एक्सपीरियंस ही तो है। ही इज नॉट ब्लेस्ड विद एनी सुपर पावर्स विच यू डोंट हैव, राइट। और आप कहीं भी देखिए, इवन यू सी द स्पोर्ट पर्सन, अगर कोई ओलंपिक उसमें दे आर विनिंग दैट मेडल और कोई हार के भी
Okay.
आ रहा है, तो ओनली रीजन एंड डिफरेंस इज प्रैक्टिस। किसमें कितनी विल पावर थी, कौन कितनी बार उठा। एंड पीपल आर लाइक दे बीट देयर ओन चैलेंजेस,
Yes,
राइट।
ma'am.
लेकिन हम कहाँ गड़बड़ करते हैं माहिर, व्हेन वी सी द पर्सन क्रॉसिंग एट द स्टेज स्पीड ऑफ 120, हमारी 80 की स्पीड 60 पे आ जाती है। दिस
Yes.
इज वेयर वी आर मेकिंग मिस्टेक।
Deep down, we feel low.
यस।
We feel why we are
वहां
not
जैसे ही हमें
surviving
लगता है ना वो
at 120.
चला गया, अब मेरा क्या हुआ, अटेंशन कहाँ चला गया, मेरा
To the
अटेंशन
other
अब
one. Yes.
एक्सेलरेटर से हट गया।
Yes, ma'am.
नाउ अटेंशन इज नॉट ऑन एक्सेलरेटर, माय अटेंशन इज ऑन, अरे वो कितनी दूर निकल गया, उसको देखो, उसको देखो। ठीक है। अब उसकी गाड़ी देखने के चक्कर में मेरा पैर उठ गया ब्रेक से, सॉरी उससे स्पीड से, क्या हुआ,
Accelerated. Yes.
80 से 60 पे आ गए। अब क्या हुआ, जो चीज जो उससे शायद घंटा पीछे पहुंचते अब उससे 2 घंटा पीछे पहुंचोगे। सो यू
Yes.
सेट द टारगेट, अच्छा यार आज मेरी 80 की स्पीड है, 120 पे भी चलती है गाड़ी, अच्छा ये चला सकता है मेरा दोस्त जो कि मेरे साथ जैसा है, चलो ठीक है। नाउ आई विल प्रैक्टिस ऑन दिस थिंग, आई कैन ऑल्सो ड्राइव, बट नाउ इट डिपेंड्स कि हाउ मच आवर हाउ मच टाइम यू आर स्पेंडिंग इन दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग। कितने घंटे लगा रहे हो आप, कितना टाइम लगा रहे हो, और आपकी डेडिकेशन कितनी है, आपकी डिटर्मिनेशन कितनी है, इट ऑल डिपेंड्स।
Satisfied, ma'am. So I'm moving on. We are running out of time, and I have two
Hmm.
still two questions left. So I guess we
No
should
worries, no
jump to
worries.
the specific section now. So
No,
this
it's not
section is,
like people will say shut down. It's my page. We can go, 5 10 minutes
no,
about.
ma'am, but we should value time.
No, no, that's of course it's there, but still you be satisfied. That's more important.
No, we can conduct a second session of this.
चलो
If
चलो
you
ठीक
permit,
है
yeah.
ठीक है ठीक है,
So
श्योर श्योर।
moving on to the specific set of questions. So my
या।
first question to you. So this set of questions are basically specific to you.
हम्म।
So you have to share your personal experience basically.
अच्छा।
My first question is, what were your aspirations when you were growing up? Like
सी
when you were
एस्पिरेशन।
at my age,
हाँ हाँ।
at finals level, what were your aspirations? What was in your mind?
ओके, आई टेल यू दिस थिंग, नाउ कि मैं तब क्या सोचती थी, आप ना वही सोचते हो जिस माहौल में आप होते हो और
Yes, ma'am.
आपने जो आसपास देखी होती है। एंड व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू सी एंड लिसन फ्रॉम पीपल अराउंड कि सीए बन के बढ़िया सी जॉब लग जाए और इतना पैकेज मिल जाए, तो क्या था, व्हाट वाज इन माय माइंड, आई नेवर थॉट ऑफ कि अभी उस टाइम में तो इट वाज ऑलवेज लाइक व्हेन यू आई विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम अ जॉब, एंड लकीली आई स्टार्टेड विद द इंडस्ट्री। ऐसा भी नहीं हुआ आई
Okay.
हैव टू स्ट्रगल विद की छोटा मोटा सीए फॉर्म या कुछ। अच्छा से आई वेंट फॉर अ इंटरव्यू थ्रू naukri.com एंड आई क्रैक द इंटरव्यू एंड आई गॉट माई फर्स्ट जॉब। तो क्या था, एस्पिरेशन सिर्फ यही था कि एक तो सबसे पहले तो टारगेट, व्हाट इज वन थिंग आई वुड से इज गुड इन मी और आई डोंट नो, दैट इफ आई डिसाइड एंड टेक अप एनीथिंग इन माय हैंड ना, सो तो मैं उसको वो करके ही छोड़ती हूँ। लाइक मैं उसके माई ऑलवेज आई गेट दिस कॉम्प्लीमेंट, और लाइक माई हस्बैंड ऑल्सो ऑलवेज सेज कि आशिमा पीछे पड़ जा, मतलब वंस यू पीछे पड़ गई ना, विल नॉट लीव दैट थिंग। इट कैन बी एनीथिंग इन माई लाइफ। सो सीए का भी यही था कि पीछे पड़ गई तो मतलब आई हैव टू अचीव दैट, एंड सेकंड ऑफ कोर्स इट वाज जॉब। सो एस्पिरेशंस, लेकिन ये चीजें बाद में धीरे धीरे आई, व्हेन यू नो एक्सपैंड इन योर लाइफ, व्हेन यू एक्सप्लोर, व्हेन यू गेट other company in your life. That's why I always insist on this thing: have a right company, have a right set of people in your life, ताकि आप उनको देख के वो कर सको। तो जब मेरा सर्कल बदला, लोग बदले, देन आई गेट टू नो कि इट्स बिगर, मतलब तो बहुत कुछ करना है।
Okay.
हम्म।
So, ma'am, next question. So, ma'am, do you feel that there was a gap between the way you were brought up and the way we are being brought up?
हम्म। आई ओनली थिंक द वन
Because
थिंग इज देयर,
I,
सोशल मीडिया।
okay, social media has a
अदरवाइज
big role
आई
to
कुड
play.
नॉट सी। या फिर ये कह लो, रिलेशनशिप में उस टाइम में ज्यादा कमिटमेंट होती थी, आजकल ऑप्शन ज्यादा है। तो वो जितनी ज्यादा गर्लफ्रेंड है उतनी ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स है। मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा
But
अभी आपकी और मेरी जनरेशन में, जो मुझे अगर मैं देख पा रही हूँ, तो चीज़ें सिर्फ़ और सिर्फ़ ये है कि टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत एडवांस हो गई है। दिस इज़ द मेजर गैप व्हिच आई कुड रियलाइज़ और सी।
with technology, the pros and cons are also there.
यस, यस।
So how do you take these things? Like the way you were brought up, there was less technology.
हुँ, हुँ।
There were hardly any sort of technology.
यस,
It,
अभी मोबाइल तो हमारे सामने-सामने ही आया, एंड आई रिमेंबर द डेज़ तब लैंडलाइन ही होता था। सो देयर वर नो डिस्टर्बेंसेस, बट यस अगेन डिस्टर्बेंस आपके हाथ में है। तब भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती थी। ठीक है। आई रिमेंबर दैट आई हैव दिस टारगेट इन माई माइंड कि मुझे सीए क्लियर करना है, एंड आई रिमेंबर द डेज माई व्हेन आई वाज इन लक्ष्मी नगर, एंड आई यूज टू गो फॉर माई कोचिंग क्लासेस, एंड देयर वर थिंग्स अराउंड, बहुत सारे शोरूम्स, एंड if the dummies are there, girl is wearing some dress or some latest trend is going on, believe you me, I used to keep my eyes shut। तो मुझे सिर्फ एंड आई मुझे आज भी एक वो पर्टिकुलर सीन याद है, दैट आई टोल्ड माई सेल्फ, आशिमा दिस इज अभी, दिस इज नॉट फॉर यू। बस आंखें बंद कर ले, थोड़ा टाइम और, थोड़ा टाइम और। बट आई कुड से दैट यस, आई नो द लकी थिंग वाज दैट मैं खुद से ये बात खुद को कह सकती थी। मुझे ये नहीं हुआ कि मैं ट्रैक से उतर गई एंड आई वांटेड समबडी एल्स इन माय लाइफ टू टेल मी दिस थिंग कि आशिमा थोड़ा सा और। सो आई कुड सी कि ये करना है, एंड एवरीथिंग लाइक कुछ भी नहीं किया। दे आई वाज लाइक कोई भी लेटेस्ट फैशन वाज देयर इन द मार्केट, or some other girls who knew they could doing anything, but I only knew that I have to first achieve this thing, and then I have a complete life to enjoy everything in my life। ठीक है। So वो that was thing with me।
that
I
was the
और
success mantra for you.
हाँ, कि जब वो एक बार है दिमाग में तो है, देन यू हैव टू अचीव दैट थिंग। सो आई यूज्ड टू, मैं वही कह रही हूँ, आपने बोला सोशल, बहुत सारे लोग कानों में इतना कुछ डालते हैं, तो आपको वही बात है कि आँख और कान बंद करने पड़ते हैं। ठीक है। बट अगेन, जैसे likewise if you say that I being a chartered accountant, if I am going with this mindset coaching, लोगों की अपनी अपनी परसेप्शन है, पीपल विल से, पीपल विल जज, बट इफ यू हैव इनफ लॉजिक एंड इनफ फॉलोइंग विद इन योर सेल्फ, see, you go with that. One day there will be answers. One day there will be answers. But don't look for people कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, कि क्या चल रहा है, या अभी कल तक कुछ था आज कुछ और है। आपके पास हमेशा यही है कि इवन मेरे पास आई कीप ऑन गेटिंग सो मेनी क्वेरीज कि अब सीए में इट्स वेरी नॉर्मल, वी शुड गो फॉर अदर कोर्सेज एज वेल, या इट्स नॉट इनफ, वी शुड हैव डन समथिंग एल्स। बट माई ओनली थिंग इज, sugar cane, have you seen sugar cane?
Yes,
अब
ma'am.
sugar cane से one is you are only taking the juice, second you are getting the
You can
jaggery,
make
and
jaggery, yes, ma'am.
third, yeah, you can get the sugar, and sugar maybe you will see lot of variety। ठीक है। सो से कमिंग फ्रॉम द शुगर केन ओनली, सो यू कैन नॉट से कि एक चीज से बहुत सारी चीजें निकल रही हैं। नाउ दैट इज अप टू यू दैट हाउ यू पॉलिश योर सेल्फ, हाउ मोर यू गेट योर सेल्फ मोर प्रोसेस्ड, ठीक है, और आप किस लेवल तक जाना चाहते हैं. इवन सीएज आर डूइंग वंडर्स, इवन यू कैन डू लॉट मेनी थिंग्स, एंड हु इज स्टॉपिंग यू कि इसके साथ हम और चीजें नहीं कर सकते. कोविड ने तो हमें यही सिखाया है कि कोविड क्या, उससे पहले वॉरेन बफेट कितने लोगों ने कह दिया कि मल्टी इनकम होनी चाहिए, मल्टीटास्किंग होनी चाहिए. और आज की डेट में कोविड ने तो सबसे ज्यादा इस चीज का रियलाइज कराया. आई हैव सीन पीपल डूइंग लॉट मेनी थिंग्स विद देयर प्रोफेशन. सो देयर इज नो एंड टू दैट कि आप यही कर सकते हो लाइफ में. मल्टीटास्किंग इज पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ नाउ. तो कीप ऑन लर्निंग, कीप ऑन डूइंग वॉट एवर कम्स अक्रॉस. लेकिन हाँ, टारगेट अभी पहला एक क्लियर करे. जैसे मैंने कहा, एक टाइम में सीए था तो सीए था, एक साइड में किया, चलिए अब दूसरा.
मैम दैट्स व्हाई दे आर एडवर्टाइजिंग इट, आपदा को अवसर में बदलो.
आपका को अवसर. वेरी ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू. एंड यू नो कि मेरा तो एक ही मंत्रा है कि इवन इफ यू बिकम अ पर्सन हु इज गोइंग टू लाइक नो काइंड ऑफ, एक वो सो सिर्फ शायद झाड़ू लगाता है, आपने अगर उस लेवल का काम भी करना ना, बट वॉट एवर यू डू इन योर लाइफ, अपने साथ एक चीज रखिए, दैट यू बिकम एक्सपर्ट ऑफ योर थिंग.
गिव इट योर
दैट
बेस्ट
कुड बी
शॉट.
एनीथिंग. मतलब इट्स नॉट अबाउट वो सीए है, इट्स नॉट अबाउट कि आप कोई भी काम कर रहे हैं ना, यू गिव योर बेस्ट इन दैट, यू ट्राई टू गिव योर एक्सपर्टीज इन दैट. So nobody can, stop you to be successful. So multitasking में भी जो मैंने रियलाइज किया, दैट पीपल, दैट आप मल्टीटास्किंग कीजिए, बट वही है, एक्सपर्टीज को आप एक्सपैंड कीजिए, सो दैट फोकस इधर उधर नहीं जाए. What you
So
are
ma'am,
good
what
at,
is
you use it in different areas.
okay, okay. So ma'am, what is your take on that suggestion that one that you were referring to, that you should do some other course with CA as well?
See, that depends. Like if I remember my, case, that when I left job and after a few years, maybe I thought of that I should go for UPSC. कि ठीक है, I'm sitting at home and I can study. So why not? So then when I go through, went through the rules, it was like 32 years is the last, and that was the year when I completed my 32. और ये समझ
Okay.
लो कि उधर से 32 हुआ और उधर से रूल देखा. सो इट्स लाइक ओके, हो गया कि चलो ठीक है, ये नहीं. सो देन अगेन इट इज अप टू यू कि अब आपने कोई कोर्स करना है, या आपको ये लगता है कि आपको एक्सपीरियंशियल स्टडीज यू हैव टू डू इन योर लाइफ. आपको अपनी चीजें, दैट अगेन, बिकॉज कोर्सेज एंड एवरीथिंग आर बुकिश. लाइफ
Yes,
में जो भी काम आता है वो प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज ही आती है.
exactly. Hello.
या सो एनी
Yes,
अदर,
ma'am.
अभी ऑल क्वेश्चंस आर रिजॉल्व.
There are some
सेट.
questions, but I think we should postpone those to the next
Okay,
session.
so it's
34.
6:35 already.
Yes, ma'am.
34. Okay. See, let's wrap it up and wind it up. That what all we have discussed. One is always, see, multitasking should be there, but
Yes,
at the same time, you should be clear and focused that what you're gonna achieve. और उसके लिए what I would suggest, that have clear motive and mission in your life. You ask me that from where this motive will come. For this, I will like to give you a kind of one thing, that detach yourself from you. See yourself as a other person. Am I standing in front of you, and ask yourself? You will get the answer that what is your motive and mission of your life. So learn to detach from yourself. Why can't we have this answer? Because we emotionally get attached with the situation and with ourselves. Likewise, if I think I am chartered accountant, but I am not a chartered accountant. I am something, a different on the journey of my life. That could you, अगर मैं spiritually बोलूँ, a soul on the journey, or I could say
yes, ma'am.
Ashima on the journey. Now, Ashima and chartered accountant both are two different things. But if I will get attached to my role, ki CA, then I would not be able to see my mission, my motive, and my decisions will be impacted with this. So learn to detach yourself and look at your motive and mission of your life, and then take the decision. And once your motive is in front of you back again and again, that will help you to get aligned to your focus. डिस्ट्रैक्शन कब आता है? जब मोटिव से भटक जाता है इंसान. डिस्ट्रैक्शन कब आता है? जब मिशन भूल जाता है, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
or how you see your mission, one of a small thing you can do, that you can think in your mind that if it is your last day of your life, तो आप क्या क्या
Okay.
सोचेंगे कि लास्ट डे तक व्हाट ऑल यू वुड हैव डन इन योर लाइफ, और या फिर लोग आपको किन वजहों से याद रखे अपनी जिंदगी में. सो दैट इज
Okay.
योर
So I
मिशन.
should pen down what are my regrets and what made me famous.
नो रिग्रेट्स नहीं. रिग्रेट इज तो समथिंग कि आपने अचीव नहीं किया, अभी तो इतनी आगे जिंदगी पड़ी है, तो वो रिग्रेट क्यों है? लास्ट डे जिंदगी का,
Because
जब आप
that, yes, ma'am. You said on the last day what you will be thinking. So I said I should pen down my
लास्ट
regrets.
डे
So I
जब
should
आप
have done
चले
the.
गए हैं, लास्ट डे
चले
मीन्स
गए
दैट
हैं.
यू आर, हाँ
Okay.
हाँ. सो इट्स बीइंग
I am
लास्ट
in my
कि आप,
journey to the supreme being.
हाँ. सो लाइक जब आप
Okay.
चले गए हैं, सो देन व्हाट यू कुड सी, लेट्स सपोज आप चले गए और आप देख रहे हैं कि अब आप अपने पीछे क्या छोड़ के गए हैं. सो व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू सी? आप क्या देखना चाहेंगे अब अपने पीछे क्या छोड़ के गए?
Okay.
सो दैट विल हेल्प यू टू पेन डाउन योर मिशन, योर मोटिव. और जब जब मोटिव ध्यान रखेंगे, तो ये जो आवाज़ें आती हैं इधर उधर से, ये कम हो जाती हैं. मल्टीटास्किंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, right? And
Yes, ma'am.
third, it is like if other has different speed, first of all, appreciate everyone is different. Second, learn from that person. And it's not like you cannot do that. Everyone has a, time का भी factor होता है, अपनी अपनी speed भी होती है. But please appreciate yourself and don't compare it. Otherwise you will lose your self worth. And there will be lot many things which you will be good at, and he is not, or someone else is not, right?
Yes,
और
ma'am.
भगवान जी ने हर किसी का अपना अपना रोल बनाया है. So why don't you think that
Yeah.
whatever role I get, but I will do my best in that role? So that, I think this is the key. And the topic for the day, to keep the
No,
noise down, is that just focus on your role.
that's what they teach in cricket as well. Whenever you take the field, uh,
Hmm.
that doesn't matter how many balls are remaining. You just have to go out and play for the team and make sure that you do the best.
Yes, and every ball should be equally important for you,
Yes,
because
ma'am.
if
For the team as
your
well.
focus, yes, if your focus will shift on the number, so you see, one your focus is on hitting the ball, and one your focus is on the numbers coming, or who is going to throw the ball. This all is giving distractions. या बॉलर
Yes,
कौन सा
ma'am.
आ रहा है? अगर मेरा इससे फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा बॉलर कौन है, टीम कौन है, मुझे क्या पता है कि भाई बॉल ऐसे आ रही है, इसको ऐसे हिट करना है. दैट्स ऑल. दिस इज द बिगर पिक्चर. दिस इज द बिगर पिक्चर व्हेन यू आर सीइंग अबव एवरीथिंग. कौन
For
बॉलर
the
है,
team.
कौन सी सिचुएशन है. अ, जैसे आपके वो भी एग्जांपल है कोहली का, कि ही टोल्ड दिस थिंग इन स्टोरी कि उसके फादर एक्सपायर हो गए, ही वाज ऑन द फील्ड एंड ही
Yes,
won दैट
ma'am.
मैच. सो दैट इज लुकिंग एट द बिगर पिक्चर ना. ही डिडंट गेट इंडल्ज इनटू दैट सिचुएशन, इमोशनली अटैच नहीं हुआ, नहीं तो मैच कैसे करता. दैट इज बिगर पिक्चर, लाइक डिटैचिंग योरसेल्फ एंड लुकिंग ओवर एंड अबव एवरीथिंग. And this
Still, he's
all
so
will help in
determined.
keeping the noise
Yes,
down.
ma'am. All we are supposed to do is stay within the crease and stay home, stay happy.
बट दैट्स अगेन, हमने बहुत अच्छी अच्छी बातें करी है माहिर. वन वी डिस्कस अबाउट कि मुंबई जाके आप व्हाट यू विल फील. So it's in your hand, it is your perception. If you will, one, you are feeling satisfied that okay, I am there and I have lot of experience with me कि मुंबई कैसे पहुंचा जाता है. But now with that experience, I can explore new places. Okay, let
Yes,
it be.
ma'am.
This was not for me, but that is not a loss of time. I have learned lot many things in this journey only. राइट. वन वी डिस्कस दैट. सेकंड वी डिस्कस कि 80 से 60 पे नहीं आना है दूसरा का 120 देख के. ठीक है. वी हैव टू बी ऑन योर स्पीड,
Gradually
बट
proceed.
उससे ग्रेजुअली आगे, राइट. एंड
Yes,
थर्ड
ma'am.
इज लाइक आप अपने मिशन पे बात कीजिए. एंड मल्टीटास्किंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बट स्टे अलाइंड. सो आई
And
थिंक
stay within the crease.
या, होप इट हेल्प्स.
Sorry?
इट हेल्प यू.
Yes, ma'am. It was quite
ओके.
a stimulating session.
या, श्योर.
Well, this was
ओके.
also destined to have happen.
Yeah, yes, yes, yes. So, okay, Mahi, let's finish it up for the day.
Yes,
And we
ma'am. Thank
have
you so
winded
much.
up also. And if you other questions you have in this particular, you know, area, we will take it up in another session. This is
Okay.
the series which we will be continuing. And at the same time, I would like to invite someone else. If you know, if you will right now or later on, you will listen to my this live session. You're welcome to ask your queries. It is not compulsory that it is your life questions. It could be if someone something you feel like is going around and you want to discuss it with someone, you are welcome to do that. It can be an interactive section, and even I can be the one who is going to ask question from you. It's not always that I am the one who is going to answer. So but the theme and the agenda is that two minds making a conversation together. So that could be any of you. So, and thank you, Mahe, coming on my page and making this conversation happen. Thank you so much. Wish you all the
Thank you so
best.
much, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Take care.